everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us. This is something I've been seeing for a while. I've been wanting to do for a while. There's not a lot of write-ups or footage or even pictures on how this works. So hopefully this will help you if you're in the market. I'm a big fan of a safari bikini top, safari top, however you want to call it. So I have seen where some folks have kind of just taken the top part of an old fiberglass top and they've put some U-bolts or something here to bolt to the roll bar, and then had themselves a hard safari top. So I picked up this free top on Marketplace. Basically, it's rough. It's for a YJ, and we're gonna make something for Sherman. So you can kind of see I've already marked it out here. I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna try to make a pretty curve here to hopefully kind of simulate that, because I want to retain the factory door surround, because I have a set of full soft doors that I'd really like to utilize and go away from the kind of YJ kind of square top uppers. So, and I don't care if the Jeep gets wet. I mean, it is what it is, but I'll be able to seal myself up here, and then this can just be hanging out. So, and out of that, hopefully you'll notice right there is a bolt. So I'll be able to bolt screw down the front over the windshield frame, bolt right there, and then I'll have to figure out how this works here. So I purposely did not clean it. I just want you to see a whole transformation deal. This will probably take, I don't know, a couple days-ish. I want to get it cleaned off for you guys, like I said, but we've got rain coming in a couple days, and I want to get this on there before then. I'm going to go kind of straight across the top here, and I don't love how these contours don't match. I'm kind of a symmetry guy, but we're going to give it a shot. So worst can happen. It was free. Okay, first pass. Not awful. Again, this looks a little goofy here for my liking, but it's whatever, right? Back here for strength, the fiberglass is a couple layers. So I don't exactly know how I'm gonna take care of that at this moment. That feels like a tomorrow problem, but I mean, that didn't take me that long. I want to kind of round these out. I thought about cutting right across this seam, but there's still some more, like a second layer that goes back into here. So yeah, it's all right. I think it'll look neat. So we'll get it mounted. I don't know if we'll do that tomorrow. Probably do that tomorrow. We'll get it mounted, kind of bolted down, and then I'm gonna have to figure out how we're gonna secure the back part of this, because we don't want it acting like a sail, as the roll bar will sit, I don't know, somewhere around here-ish probably. But it's good enough for now, I'd say. I am absolutely covered in white. I did have a respirator on, but I am gonna go get in the shower. This fiberglass does not like my skin. All right, first impression, I don't love it. And only because the cage comes down and this sticks up kind of like alfalfa, you know? So I think, I don't know, gosh, I want it long like that, but I want it to slope a little bit, and I feel like that's ugly. So I think next maybe I'll cut across that seam, and then maybe try to round this off. But as you might have noticed, the Jeep had the factory square uppers. Well, I had a pair of YJ full soft doors, but something was goofy with the uppers. So I've used YJ lowers and new TJ full soft uppers. So faded, not faded. That's ugly, that'll get painted. But it will serve my purpose for keeping me dry-ish. The doors don't fit all that great. I don't know if that's because they're full soft doors or because this hard top, or what's left this hard top, like there's some gap, and I can't really adjust that away. So don't hate it. I don't love it. I think it would be really cool if it was a half cab. I do like a half cab. But I'll eliminate all this next. And I did hit a lot of this with a flap wheel, but I got a little crazy here with the cutoff, so I'll try to do my best there. It's whatever, it was free. This one doesn't fit well at all either. You can stick your finger all the way in. That's probably not ideal, but otherwise it looks fairly gangster, I guess you could say. I think so. All right, we'll come back. All right, we're getting somewhere. I like that a lot better. You're not seeing these two pieces here. You are seeing that, but and a little bit of that, I can make that go away. I did get rid of some of the rigidity, but I'll round this off, I think, and I think I'll feel a lot better about it. I like it. I like it more than I did. Is this the most redneck thing I've ever done? No, but it's windy. I'm gonna spray this thing with some Duplicolor. I'll show you that here in a second. It's gonna blow all over my $150 truck, which is fine. Not the best prep job, but I'm impatient. I can't wait for Dave. So, all right, look at that. Duplicolor truck bed coating. Hopefully 3 cans will do it. We're gonna spray her down. All right, I admit, not my best work, but it's a really good 10-footer. It's got the spray can streaks or whatever, but let's not focus on that. Look, it's black. I have black doors now. I have black seats. Got Corbeau seats in this bad boy now. So I'm feeling a little better about this. Still looks kind of like alfalfa, but I don't know. I can live with that, I think. I'll be dry-ish. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's see. Can I go up here and show you? Oh, yeah. Don't look up there. That's awful. All right. So you've seen hardtops, I'm sure, with missing back glass or even missing windows for a free 100, 150, under 500 bucks. You can reproduce this here, maybe less redneck, I don't know, but if this is something that interests you, I think it's worth a try. That wraps this one up. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.